How to add cards on McDonald's app. Let's get started with the video. Start by moving into your application McDonald's. Enter your login credentials and then make sure that you are logged into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, it will land you on this home page. Once you're in this page, now in order to add different payment method, click on More at the bottom right corner of the screen. It will open up the settings. Over there, you'll see the option of payment method. Click on it. It will be landing you in this page. In here, tons of different payment method will be available to you. You can add your credit card, debit card, your Visa card, PayPal account, Venmo account, and many more. Choose any of the specific option that you want to add, and then enter all the detailed information of your card. Make sure that the information that you have entered is correct. After that, tap on confirm and then the card will be added to your McDonald's account. So that's the wrap for this video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.